Hello guys, this is Ibrahim Umar. Welcome to the new video, which is I'm going to talk about nested if or the ifs function. Well, so in the previous video, we talked about how to calculate the commissions, and now we are about to start how to calculate the category, how to assign category to each sales rep according to uh, their commissions. So if commission is greater than or equal to 3,000, then the category should be high, and if the category the commission is greater than 820, then medium, otherwise will be low. So okay, let's start. Equals ifs and then tab. Well, if the commission is greater than or equal to 3,000, comma, value if true, and then high, double quote, comma, and then again, if the commission is greater than 820, then value if true, medium, and then true, which is the last argument, and then if it's true, low, close double quote, close parentheses, and then press enter. Boom, there we go. And then double click to send it down. So we have high, low, and medium based on their commission. In another method, click here, and then we go to formulas, logical, and then ifs. Well, if this one is greater than or equal to 3,000, tab, value if true, and then high. So you see, if we use the dialog box, this one, we don't have to put the double quote, because when we move down, automatically Excel will put the double quote on our behalf, you see. Okay, then if commission is greater than 820, then medium, tab, true, this is the last argument, and then tab, and then LOW, and press enter. Boom, there we go. And double click to send it down, and the same result is there. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.